हेलो दोस्तों, आपका हमारे चैनल वीएके स्टूडियो में स्वागत है। दोस्तों, टुडे वी लर्न अबाउट pivot table in Excel, how to make pivot table in Excel and why we use pivot table in Excel. First of all, we tell about the use of pivot table. So in the pivot table we summarize the raw data that we have, and after summarize the data we also analyze in different cuts and make presentable the data. So first we all first we come into the data part. So here is a raw data, it's state wise sale and year, month and brands. We take dummy brands name A B C D E, let's suppose, and their sale. So you can see here, uh, this is the raw data, typically raw data. So we face difficult we face difficult we face difficulty to analyze something. If you want analyze brand wise sale, month wise sale, or year wise sale, so that's not possible in this data. So for this we use pivot table. So I want to tell you how to make this pivot table. So we can use shortcut also, but I'll take you through option. So we go to insert button, we click insert button, then first we select the data and go to the insert and click the pivot table. So a, win a window a window appear. So you have to select a table or range, and second option, choose where you want to pivot table report to place it. I select new worksheet, then OK. So first first of all you have to understand the fields of pivot table. So where we have to put the fields, uh, you can see in the upper side there are fields: state, year, month, brand, sale. So just suppose I want a state wise sale. I want state wise in a row column, and state wise sale and month wise sale, state wise, year wise and month wise sale. So there are the four options: filter, columns, row and values. So we have to decide where where we want the fields. If I want states comes in rows, means state wise sale. When we talk about state wise or month wise sale, so we put the fields in the rows. So just we drag drag stake drag state sorry drag state into row option. So sorry so rows will come, state will come rows in rows in row in row 4 5 6 7 in row wise, and any calculated field, any numbers fields, just like sale, volume, anything is in numbers. This comes into values field. Sorry, you have to drag and drop to the value field. So here is coming count of sales. So we have to change sum of sales. How to change value fields? We go to value field setting, then select sum. Okay. So here you see sale. Sorry, we have to remove sale in column. Numbers fields only comes in the values portion, values section. If I want month wise sales, so we want month in the columns, not rows. So we put months fields into the column section. So here you can see the month are in column wise, in the columns. So here we we can see that month wise, state wise and month wise sale is displaying. So you can see that there is a summarized data, and in the data sheet it's a raw data. It's not summarized. So to summarize the data, we use pivot tables. So we can value into without decimal. So here you can see that the layout is latest. So we can change the layout option. So we go the pivot table option, then display. Then we often use classic pivot table because it looks better than this display. So here is classic pivot table display. So you can see that state wise sale, month wise sale. If you want use another section, so there are 4 sections in the pivot table field: filter, columns, rows, values. So we already put it. We already used three sections: column, row, and values. If you want filter, if you want use filters also. So let's suppose you want filterize data. I would like to display a definite brands, a particular brands. So we can brand fields. We can put brand fields into the filter section. Let's suppose we want sale of brand A. Suppose. So here you can see only brand A sales, brand B sales, city wise brand B sale. If you want brand C, select brand C. So we use filter section to filterize the data. Okay. So this is the basic use of pivot table. If you want brand in rows, so put the brands in the rows. Drag the brands in from filters to rows. So you can get the data state wise, brand wise, month wise sales. Here you can see. So that is the basic use of pivot table. So friends, you practice this, and also tell us how to like our video in comment sections. Thank you so much.